Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of magnesium-rich foods, and no, you won't find any bland salads or flavorless tofu here. We're talking about real food, packed with flavor and enough magnesium to fuel a bloody rocket. So, strap yourselves in and get ready to learn how to upgrade your diet and conquer your magnesium needs. Let's get started. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. It helps with muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and even the production of protein, bone, and DNA. But did you know that many people don't get enough magnesium in their diets? That's where we come in. Today we're going to show you how to incorporate more magnesium into your meals without sacrificing taste or enjoyment. First up, let's talk about leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are all excellent sources of magnesium. Not only are they packed with this vital mineral, but they also provide a host of other nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K. You can easily add these greens to your smoothies, salads, or even sauté them as a side dish. Next on our list are nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds are particularly high in magnesium. These make for a great snack on their own, or you can sprinkle them over your yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for an added crunch and nutritional boost. Whole grains are another fantastic source of magnesium. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread not only provide magnesium but also offer fiber and other essential nutrients. Incorporating these into your meals can be as simple as swapping out white rice for brown rice or choosing whole grain bread over white bread. Don't forget about beans and legumes. Black beans, chickpeas, and lentils are not only rich in magnesium but also provide protein and fiber. These can be added to soups, stews, salads, or even made into delicious spreads like hummus. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are also great sources of magnesium. These fish are not only delicious but also provide omega-3 fatty acids which are beneficial for heart health. Try grilling or baking them for a tasty and nutritious meal. Avocados are another magnesium-rich food that you can easily incorporate into your diet. Whether you enjoy them in guacamole, on toast, or in a salad, avocados are a versatile and delicious way to boost your magnesium intake. And for those with a sweet tooth, dark chocolate is a surprisingly good source of magnesium. Just make sure to choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content to get the most benefits. Enjoy it as a treat or use it in baking for a healthier dessert option. So, there you have it. 10 delicious and nutritious ingredients that can help you meet your magnesium needs. Remember, eating a balanced diet with a variety of foods is the best way to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Thanks for joining us on this magnesium adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tasty and healthy recipes. Keep cooking and stay healthy. Spinach, you might think it's just green mush, right? The kind of thing you might have been forced to eat as a kid, with a scrunched-up face and a reluctant fork. But hold on a second, because spinach is so much more than that. It's not just a side dish or a garnish, it's a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place in your kitchen and on your plate. The sort of thing Popeye shovels down when he needs a bicep boost. Remember those old cartoons where Popeye would gulp down a can of spinach and suddenly become superhuman? Well, there's a reason behind that, even if it's a bit exaggerated. Spinach is packed with nutrients that can give you a real-life energy boost. But let me tell you, this leafy green is a bloody powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals that can do wonders for your body. We're talking about vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, and calcium, just to name a few. And let's not forget about the antioxidants that help fight off free radicals and keep your cells healthy. 1 cup of cooked spinach, just 1 cup, packs a whopping 157 milligrams of magnesium. Magnesium is essential for muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. It's one of those minerals that you don't think about much, but your body definitely needs it. That's almost 40% of your daily need. Imagine getting nearly half of your required magnesium intake from just 1 cup of this leafy green. It's like hitting the nutritional jackpot. And that's not all. Spinach is also low in calories, making it a great addition to any diet. Don't you dare think about wilting it. Overcooking spinach can cause it to lose some of its valuable nutrients. Instead, try to keep it as fresh and vibrant as possible. Lightly steaming or sautéing it can help retain its nutritional value while making it more palatable. Treat it with respect, sauté it with garlic, and you'll bring out its natural flavors. Garlic not only adds a delicious aroma but also has its own set of health benefits, including boosting the immune system and reducing blood pressure. Toss it with lemon and parmesan, and you've got a dish that's not only tasty, but also incredibly nutritious. The lemon adds a zesty kick, and helps with the absorption of iron from the spinach, while the Parmesan provides a rich, savory flavor that complements the greens perfectly. And you've got yourself a side dish that's fit for a king. Whether you're serving it as a side or making it the star of the meal, spinach can elevate your culinary game. So, next time you see those fresh green leaves at the market, don't just walk by. Grab a bunch and give this versatile vegetable the spotlight it deserves. Next up, almonds. These little guys are more than just a snack, they're like the bloody kings of the magnesium world. A measly ounce, that's a handful, will give you 80 milligrams of magnesium. 80! Toss them on your yogurt, smash them into a butter, or just eat them straight up. But for God's sake, don't go buying that sugar-coated rubbish. We're after natural goodness here, people. Avocado, the darling of Instagram, the toast topper extraordinaire. But don't think for a minute this is just a trendy fruit. One avocado, just half of that creamy green goodness, will give you 58 milligrams of magnesium. And the versatility. Guacamole, salads, smoothies, you name it. But don't you dare tell me you're putting sugar on it. That's a one-way ticket to flavor hell. Now this is what I'm talking about. Dark chocolate, yes, you heard me right. This isn't some cruel joke. Dark chocolate, the good stuff, the 70% cocoa and above, is actually good for you. 1 ounce, and I mean a proper ounce, not a measly square, will give you 64 milligrams of magnesium. So go on, indulge yourself. But don't even think about bringing that milky, sugary rubbish anywhere near this kitchen. Black beans, the backbone of 1,000 dishes. These little beauties are packed with 120 milligrams of magnesium per cup. That's right, 120 milligrams. Salads, stews, dips, you name it, black beans can handle it. And don't even get me started on their versatility. They're like the Swiss Army knife of the legume world. Pumpkin seeds, those little green gems you usually toss in the bin, yeah, those are nutritional gold mines. Just 1 ounce of these bad boys packs a whopping 150 milligrams of magnesium. Roast them with some spices, sprinkle them on your salads, or just eat them straight out of the pumpkin. I don't care. Just get them in your system. Salmon, the king of the sea and a damn fine source of magnesium. A 3-ounce serving, that's a decent fillet, will give you 26 milligrams of the good stuff. Grill it, bake it, pan fry it, just don't overcook it. We want it flaky and moist, not dry and chewy. And for God's sake, don't you dare drown it in some creamy sauce. Bananas, everyone knows they're packed with potassium. But did you know they're hiding a secret stash of magnesium too? That's right, 1 medium-sized banana will give you 32 milligrams of magnesium. Slice them on your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or just peel and eat. The possibilities are endless. But don't you dare let them go brown on me, that's just wasteful. Quinoa, the darling of the health food world, and for good reason. This ancient grain is a nutritional powerhouse, packing a whopping 118 milligrams of magnesium per cooked cup. That's right, 118 milligrams. Use it as a base for salads, stuff it in peppers, or just eat it as a side dish. The possibilities are endless. Cashews, those creamy, dreamy nuts that are just begging to be snacked on, but don't let their deliciousness fool you. These little guys are packed with 74 milligrams of magnesium per ounce. That's right, 74 milligrams. Eat them on their own, add them to trail mix, or blend them into a creamy nut butter. Just don't you dare oversalt them. There you have it. We've successfully completed our magnesium mission, and it's been quite the journey. From understanding the importance of magnesium in our daily diet, to discovering the variety of delicious foods that can help us meet our nutritional needs, we've covered it all. 10 magnesium-rich foods that won't leave you bored to tears. We've got leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are not only packed with magnesium but also loaded with other essential vitamins and minerals. Crunchy nuts such as almonds and cashews are perfect for snacking and adding a delightful texture to your meals. Creamy fruits like avocados are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, making them a great addition to salads, smoothies, and even toast. And let's not forget about the indulgent options. Dark chocolate is a fantastic source of magnesium, and it's a treat that you can enjoy guilt-free. Whether you're savoring a piece on its own or incorporating it into your favorite dessert recipes, dark chocolate is a delicious way to boost your magnesium intake. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fun and rewarding experience, especially when you know that the foods you're eating are nourishing your body and helping you feel your best. Preparing meals with magnesium-rich ingredients can be a great way to experiment with new recipes and flavors, making your culinary adventures even more exciting. It's about finding delicious, nutritious foods that make you feel your best. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or friends, incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your meals can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. Plus, sharing these nutritious meals with loved ones can create wonderful memories and strengthen your bonds. So go on, get in the kitchen and start cooking up some magnesium magic. Experiment with different ingredients, try out new recipes, and have fun with the process. The more you enjoy cooking and eating healthy, the more likely you are to stick with it and make it a lasting part of your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Your support helps us continue to create content that inspires and empowers you to live a healthier, happier life. See you next time.